Guys, so today, we're gonna play Pixel Gun 3D. I know y'all haven't seen me play it, so I just decided. Oh, yeah, I'm really tired. So if y'all hear me yawn, this just means I'm really tired. Don't touch today. I wanna get that golden gun, guys. I wanna get that. I'm gonna try to at least get that golden gun. Yes. No. I wanted to get that customized. This is my guy. I like him. It stands for Jelly, Josh, and Globocop. If y'all don't know who that is, go check out their channel. It is really cool. Now let's go battle. Hold on, guys. Okay. So let's play. We're gonna do team fight. Okay. I guess not, because I pressed team fight, and this one's okay. Ooh, I have a good spot. Only if I could get up there, because I could go. I'm like a really good sniper, mostly with my bow. Wait, I want to be with the red team. It froze. See, guys, I don't like it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Move out. Okay. Uh-oh. That's a bomb. I'll take that. And he gets a bad freaking gun. Run! Jump in the water if you have to. Okay. It's kind of fun. It's like they just walk over me and I just go. Where are they getting these cool guns? I like his crossbow. Let's go. Wait. If y'all have Musical.ly, I'll tell y'all my Musical.ly name later. I want that health bar. It's my only hope to survive. Thank you. Oh, my eye. I have no kills. I wonder why. Hey, who's shooting? Who shot me? They're snipers! Why does there have to be snipers? I'm about to freaking blow the crap out of him. Thank you. We took it over the base, people! Shoot. He was so close from killing me. Hey, at least I came third. Yay. I'm gonna probably take one more drink, guys. I'm gonna take a drink of my drink. Okay, so yeah. Let's do this. Wait. Are we on the other side? Are we? Yeah. Right. I get a better sniping view. How did he get up there? I need a good. There. I'm gonna try at least get up here. Aww. Who the heck just shot me? I don't see the sniper! That little brat. What the heck? Did I just like die? It's a unicorn where all your dreams can come true. That didn't work. Aha! I don't know how you got up. Ah! Yay! I have a jetpack, bro. I feel like a ninja or something. I can do whatever I want. Aww. I lost it. Leave me alone. I'm gonna shoot you with my bow. Mr. I know. I repeat, I need a good freaking sniping spot. Let's do this. That's it. See, I have sucky weapons. Why? How am I still alive? Okay, there. I died. Wait, what? Defeated. I'm doing another team. This is not the map I wanted to do. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go on to a different kind of map. I don't know why I look. What does local mean? Local. My sniper rifle! I'm gonna go better. That's the quickest thing ever. It better be on those. Yeah. Come see, bro, I'm on your team. Yes! I got revenge! Mason! There's this guy that he killed me, and when I threw a grenade, he killed me, right? But the grenade blew him up. Jetpack! Whatever this is, you'll become invincible. Invincible, you say. I can do whatever I want. Brad, I'm invisible. I'm invisible, Brad. Invisible Brad. Adios. That guy died. Oh, back up here. Yeah, yo. Now I can get revenge on some bastard. Oh, shoot. Where did he come from? How did he get up there? I see you. How did I not? How? Just how? 6. Oh, I'm landing it! Goodbye. What if they had an ending kill? What if they had an ending kill? That'd be best. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna have to end the video there, guys. Ow. Get my knife out, people. Oh, shoot. How? I had him. Ow. Yes. I lived. And they lived happily ever after. Good day. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Of course. I had to go into the fire, guys. Pro sniper right here, boy. Oh my gosh! Ah! No. What the heck is he doing? And oh, midair! I'll take that. Suck it. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm gonna have to end the video there.